everybody, it's me, Blue. So if you're here last week, I promised you that I'd do a room tour because lots of you have been begging for a room tour. And today is the day you're gonna see my room. And also there's a unicorn head behind me that I painted. Yay! So let's get started. Okay, so we're traveling over here now. This is my dollhouse. It's really big. And this is also a balloon for my birthday. And there's one up there that's still floating from February. And it's like May now. It's like, so as you go over here, you can see my nice comforter. It's kind of new, so I really like it a lot. And my cotton candy, if you guys don't remember, my whale. Okay, so these are my letters. My Gigi painted them like a ladybug theme before I was born for my nursery. But I changed them to the colors of my room. And if you don't know, my whole first name is Jaden Blue. But I either go by Jaden or by Blue, depending on who you are. And this is like a shelf space. It's also a dresser. My little plant. So I'm not that good at growing plants, but I've tried really hard to keep this succulent plant alive. It's going well. It's growing some new leaf things. It's gonna survive for another year. That's not. You're gonna survive. So this is my dresser / shelf. I'm not going to open the drawers because that's creepy, but I'm going to share some of my stuff. So, these are my baby boots. I wore them as a baby and they don't fade anymore, but they just look so cute. They look like little polar bear feet. And that's my family. A random drawing. That's my daddy. And that's me at Disney World, yay! And my mom and I went to Dancing with the Stars to watch some of the dancers. So that's a picture over there. And this is down here. If you guys don't know, I'm like obsessed with My Little Honey. So this is my pony shelf. The Equestria girls aren't here. These are just my ponies. This is a Discord. Causing some mischief. And over here, a friend made this for me. And it looks so pretty. It's a J for my first name, if you haven't thought of that. And this is a calendar. It has a turtle on it because I love turtles like a lot. And I haven't changed the date since April. Ha ha ha. And everything's falling apart. Okay, these are my lights, my string lights. Are you ready for a party? Oh yeah! And party, and party, and yeah. String lights if you wanna have a party. But the party's ending now, so bye. These are my fairies. My friend's grandma in El Paso made these, and these are so pretty. They're so beautiful. And yeah, they're like magical. Over here to my plushies wall. The shelf full of plushies because there's so many because I love stuffed animals. And I love Beanie Boos. And lobster. Isn't he so cute? It's like a little lobster. It's a stuffed animal. Don't eat him. And this is also a Pooh Bear. Because Pooh is so cute. Look at his face. He just wants some honey and a hug. Chicken, 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 chicken. Time for awesomeness. So this is my earring tree. I was kind of wanting like a tree, like one of those earring clay trees. And I was like, I could make my own, so this is an earring tree. And I drew these, My Little Pony and a girl. It's random, but okay. My stuffed animal pal, look how cute pal looked in this. Also, I took this picture and I was like 5 or 6, so I really just took random pictures of my stuffed animals. And why did you do this? I made this as well. I made this, and it's a little bear dressed in an army suit because I made my bear in honor for my daddy because he was going into the army. And I was sad, but I had a little daddy bear, so everything would be alright. So this is kind of like a dream board slash vacation board thing. This is like a picture of what things could be. It's kind of like a broken down shack right now, but it could soon be a stadium. And this is a postcard from Catalina, from one of my friends gave me it. And this is another postcard that my Papa and Gigi gave me when they went to this place. And this is my insects, a little sticker thing. It comes with the camera. And I also made this little dream catcher. It looks so cute. Yeah, dream board. Balloon. Oh, my guitar. Ignore the balloon. It always wants to show off. So, this is my guitar case. It has a little pin collection on it because it's like a soft case, and someday I'm gonna get so many pins, and yeah. Should I play? Oh yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna take out my guitar. I got this as a Christmas present, and I really like my guitar because it's pink, one of my favorite colors. And I've always wanted to play on my guitar. Yay! Okay, so it doesn't sound good now because I still have to tune my guitar and I play with the pink, so this is what I'm learning. It's okay. You don't have to be scared for me. What if that was all I knew how to play? That would have been really sad. Gonna close this case back up. And there's nothing else. Okay then. I hope you like this video because you've been wanting it, and this is my room. So bye. Okay. Hi guys, it's me again. It's my dollhouse. The door opens. Oh yeah. It's kind of tight in here.